How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Starting in the back of the boat, this can be powered by a 115 Mercury. This is the maximum horsepower option for this model. This is equipped with the seating package, so you have two jump seats in the back. Like you'll see here, super convenient. This back can be pulled out to be two rod holders off the back, so you can see on that side. Underneath the lean post, you're going to have a conveniently placed large live well. And then a flip-flop helm seat, great facing aft, or if you're riding the helm seat up at the helm. JL audio, 7-inch SIMRAD, multifunctional display for charts and depth, anything else you can need. Bimini top overhead that can be displayed for great sun coverage. And this does have the fishing package, so you'll see very convenient tackle storage built into the helm, as well as 4 additional rod holders on the back of the front seat for the cooler seat. On the front, great size sun pad or casting platform, whatever kind of day you're looking to have on the water. Underneath here, you get storage as well as an anchor locker, and this boat is equipped with a pre-rigging for a trolling motor, so if you want to throw that on, a great option to have. And no bow rail, so really easy to be casting or just a great line of sight for cruising. So again, Mike Love here on a 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, I'll have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out on the water.